This 5-minute solution will show you how to stop visitors' post on your Facebook page. So if you want to stop people to posting on your page, follow these easy steps. First of all, we need to switch to the Facebook page. So tap on this menu and tap on this arrow icon and select the page. And now go to your page profile and tap on this three dot and tap on page and tagging settings, and here tap on who can post on your page. If it's selected everyone, then everyone will be able to post on your page. So to stop visitors post on your page, select only me, and now on no one will be able to post any post to your Facebook page. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.